We're trying to do poetry, but in other ways than in English or in natural human language. So we try to work with the quality of chemistry to build some visual, olfactive, sonic, and many other senses poetry.
For centuries, people have been fascinated with the idea that we might not be the only ones in the universe. From that fascination also comes immediately the question, if we would encounter extraterrestrial life, how would we ever communicate with them? And the idea is not communicate in words, but to communicate with chemical experiments. So we are looking for chemical experiments that tell a story and we could send to these extraterrestrial beings. But we know one thing for sure, they have to have some kind of way to interact with the chemistry that is around them, and we are thinking that chemistry is everywhere in the universe, so that is why chemistry might be the only way to communicate with these potential beings.
Because the project has three basic parts: poetry, chemistry, and the AI. So what we want to do here is the chemical processes, exploring the chemical language that we have, which is the 118 chemical elements that we know exist in the universe, and how they communicate with each other. We are hoping that the process of oxidation, for example, happens the same way on Earth as it would happen on any other planet. So we would have that in common with beings that live on that planet. We have like an ecological hope that this will happen, to break limitant thoughts, for example, to think beyond the five senses that humans have. So that will connect us in a different way to all other living beings in the universe.
This lab is also our stage where we will perform a series of different experimentation through which we hope to communicate with some speculative aliens. We will be performing chemical experiments. We believe that there's really a poetic quality to those chemical phenomenon, and we really want to highlight those sensations and those emotions that are conveyed by chemical reaction, by chemical phenomena. So we're gathering all of these material in the lab to try to present a short performance to the audience.
We're bringing chemical processes into an artistic space because for our project there is basically no difference. We see art when we see chemistry, and that's how we want chemistry to be seen by everybody. An aesthetic, sensible process.
See you soon!